Hi, I'm Ron Weingarts with Weingarts. We're out here at CARES, which is a community resource center here in Farmington Hills, Michigan. They do just a lot of great work. They have a food pantry, actually a little grocery store. They put on help meetings for for underserved people in the community. Just do a lot of great work. So we had this opportunity to redo their abandoned Ballfield. So we started because the field was hard. We went through and power raked, worked everything up, kind of get some of those rocks out, get all the overgrowth, the grass cleaned up. Field finisher put the final level, went over with the cocoa mat, and just a beautiful pro finish. It looks like a professional stadium, and even just how it leaves a nice clean edge around the turf areas is just an amazing tool. So once we got done with the infield, we took the AERA-vator with the seedbox. We brought in some seed to help thicken up the turf. We had it sprayed about 5-6 weeks ago to kill some of the weeds off. So the AERA-vator kind of shatters the soil, kind of loosens up that hard pack, and helps that seed germination as you drop the seed. So we put out 300 pounds of seed, so I'm sure that's going to fill in nice and look great. It's aerated, it's seeded, new slide-safe material. We're going to get it striped and new bases out there, so the kids in the local community have a great, safe place to play ball. So I really appreciate the support of Ventrac and helping with us, them bringing their team up here. Just a great project all the way around.